In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept stablecoins on Coinbase. If you've been asked to receive a payment in USDT, also known as Tether, this walkthrough will make the process clear and secure from start to finish. First, sign into your Coinbase account using the official Coinbase website or the mobile app. For safety, avoid public Wi-Fi and make sure you're logging in through a trusted link. Keeping your account protected with two-factor authentication is highly recommended, and we'll come back to that in a moment. Once you're in, head to the Assets or Portfolio section. This is where all your balances live. Look for the Receive option and select it. When the prompt appears, choose USDT, which is Tether. This tells Coinbase you want to generate the correct receiving address for that stablecoin. Before copying the address, pay very close attention to the network. USDT can exist on multiple blockchains, like ERC20 on Ethereum or TRC20 on Tron, among others. The network you pick must match the network the sender will use. If the networks don't match, the funds can be delayed or even lost, so confirm this with the sender in advance. If you need the official Coinbase app or the website, I've placed the trusted download and site link right at the top of the description so you can access it quickly and safely. Now, copy your USDT wallet address. You can use the copy button or the QR code if the sender prefers scanning. Before you share it, double-check the first and last few characters to ensure nothing changed when copying. Then send that exact address and the chosen network to the person or business paying you. Taking a few seconds to verify details here can prevent costly mistakes later. After the sender confirms they've sent the USDT, open Coinbase and check your wallet for the incoming transaction. Blockchain transfers aren't always instant. Depending on the network and current activity, it may take a few minutes to appear and confirm. If something seems slow, it usually just means the transaction is waiting for confirmations on the chosen chain. For added security, always use Coinbase's official apps or website rather than third-party links. Keep two-factor authentication enabled on your account to protect your funds and sign-ins. And remember, the network you selected when receiving USDT should match what the sender used. Double-checking this is an essential habit every time. That's it. You've just learned how to accept stablecoins on Coinbase safely and confidently. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, check the top of the description for the official links, and subscribe for more clear, practical guides. Thanks for watching.